In this video, I want to make last 3 rounds here. One round is single crochet, then a double crochet, and then another double crochet. Okay, let's start. I just finished round 38. So for a start, round 39, we want to make a single crochet in this round. So in each stitch marker we have to increase and we have to work in back loop only. So I just remove this stitch marker and make 3 single crochet into first corner. 1, 2 and 3. Then put the stitch marker into second single crochet here and make a single crochet in this round. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here behind of this popcorn there is a stitch and make a single crochet, then 5 single crochet here, after 5 another single crochet behind of this popcorn. Continue this round, and here in each corner we have to increase. Okay, I come back to show you. Now here in the corner we have to increase, so I just increase 1, 2 and 3, then put a stitch marker here into second single crochet, 1, 2 and here. Then continue this round, only single crochet in each stitch. Okay, continue this round and I come back here for next round. Now here round 39 finish. Round 40 I want to make double crochet like this round. So into first single crochet I have to make a slip stitch like this. For chain, count as first double crochet and chain 1 space. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another double crochet in the same place like this. Here in the corner I just put the marker. Okay, chain 1, skip 1 single crochet and into next make a double crochet here. Chain 1, skip 1 single crochet into next make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 single crochet into next make a double crochet. Both loop, chain 1 and skip 1 single crochet into next make a double crochet. Continue this round and I come back in the corner to show you how to increase. Now here in the corner remove this stitch marker After this chain 1, make a double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into same place, chain 1. So this is corner, so I just put the stitch marker again into this corner. Continue this round, skip 1 and make a double crochet into next. Continue this round and I come back here to close this round. Now here for close round 40, after the last double crochet chain 1, I have to make a slip stitch top of first double crochet here, top of this 3 chain. So 1, 2, 3 into third chain here, make a slip stitch. Round 40 finish. Round 41 is the last round. Remove this stitch marker, move into corner with a slip stitch, and 4th chain count as first double crochet plus chain 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another double crochet into same place. Now here I want to make this round here only double crochet. So chain 1, a double crochet into next chain 1 space, chain 1, a double crochet into next chain 1 space, chain 1 and a double crochet into next chain 1 space. Continue this round and I come back in the corner. Now here in the corner, remove this stitch marker, make a double crochet in the corner, then chain 1, another double crochet in the corner, chain 1 and make a double crochet in each chain 1 space. Continue this round and this work finish. After finish your work, you have to stem block your work. It's so important to stem block to get tidy work like this. Then after that you can attach them together like this, from this corner to this corner, and then join them with a slip stitch. It's up to you what kind of method that you want to use for attaching these two motifs together, but don't forget to stem block each of them before attach them together to get better result. Okay, this tutorial have done, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and comment me below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.